Do you like nostalgic black and white photos? Good news! With the help of a filter, you can turn your colored photos into black and white ones. For this, you will need the Picsart app. If you don't have it on your phone, install it before starting. Let's begin the process by opening the Picsart app. Next, add the photo to which you want to apply the black and white filter. Add the photo by clicking the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Find and select the photo from your phone gallery that you want to add. Then, press the Effects button in the bottom toolbar. At the bottom of the screen, you have filter categories for easier navigation. Press on BNW where the black and white filters are located. By swiping left, you will see different black and white filters. Click on the desired filter. After that, press the same filter once more. By swiping left and right below the photo, you can adjust the fade. Additionally, you can choose some of the sub-effects. This way, you can make the photo lighter, darker, or more intense. I will leave it as normal. And this is the final result. In a few steps, I got a black and white photo for free. Save the changes by clicking the check mark in the upper right corner. Then press the arrow here. Here you can save or post the photo. And that's it. Write to us if you liked the tutorial. For more tutorials, check out the videos on our channel and follow us.